Go ahead and transfer your O-rings in both of the new charge pipes and the new J pipe. Get that all done, and they should fit right into grooves. It's very obvious where they go. Now, the one other thing I want to point out before we go any further is, in this case, we do have meth bungs or meth injector ports on both charge pipes and the new J pipe. So if you're not doing meth injection, you're going to want to go ahead and put the plugs in. Now, the one thing I do recommend is a little bit of pipe tape, and I've already put that on just to make sure that these don't leak, because that would be such a hassle to do all this work and everything's set up right, but you've got a meth bung that's leaking a little bit. So I put a little bit of pipe tape on them and then tighten them down just snug. These are aluminum into aluminum, so don't crank on them really hard, or because you could strip them out, and if you did, then they're going to leak and the pipe is essentially ruined. So don't do that. So make sure to put these in both the J pipes and the charge pipes before you go to reinstall. So let's do the J pipe first. So let me grab the new one. I'm going to rearrange my camera a little bit, and we're going to fit it into place. But it's going to be really simple. What we're going to do is, you've got the bottom of your intake right there where you just took the old one off. You're just going to fit it, the new one, back on. And then there's a C clip, kind of a horse collar clip, that's going to go around to hold it in place. So really simple. Okay, so let's catch up here really quickly. So you want to put the rubber boot on as well. And there's enough space that you could always put the rubber boot on before and secure it down, or you can put it on after you put the J pipe on. It really doesn't matter. It's either way. So you slide the J pipe up, and with the gasket in place, that gasket can be a little sticky. So if you have to, you can take just like a trace of oil or a little bit of grease and put it around the O-ring, because when you take that J pipe and you slide it up into place, you can tell when it goes all the way in. It doesn't quite click, but it really makes kind of a thunk sound when it goes in. Now, as you can kind of see in the shadows, there's a horseshoe collar right here. You just slide that C horseshoe collar over the top, and the J pipe is secure in place. Make sure to reconnect the air hose right here, and you press that on until it clicks. So this is all back in its place that it needs to be.